You see the microduct reels coupled all together because they have to be obviously unreeling microducts at the same speed, given that they are subducting with 5 microducts an existing pipe. So they are making use of that truck support, lifting the microduct drums. Now they are in place after opening the handhole. Here we have the blowing machine with the compressor insufflating air through the yellow hose and the power generator feeding the blowing machine. You see the microducts coming all together to the machine, the 5 microducts in different colors, and then they are going to start blowing. Right now they are blowing the microducts inside this black existing duct. The microducts have to be placed properly, not to mess them up. And that's basically it. They couldn't have the microduct drums aligned with the blowing machine, so they are having a kind of an issue here because the microducts are rubbing the drum edges. It shouldn't happen, but there is no space to do it better than this. You see the operator here now is pulling by hand, or helping, supporting, and avoiding that those microducts rub the drum edge. Here you see the belt, both belts, the upper and lower one, they are pushing the cables inside. We're gonna try to show you a micro cable blowing video. You see the blowing machine is so small because the microducts that we are blowing are also very thin and light. So compared to the other one, to the previous machine, blowing machine, that was huge because it needed a lot of force, pushing and airflow volume to be able to blow microducts inside a bigger pipe. In this case, with a small machine like this one, is more than enough. So we have, you can see the cable, the micro cable being blown inside this small black microduct here on the other side. You have the speed there. We were seeing 250 feet per minute, 250, 160 feet per minute, which is about 80 meters per minute. That's a good average speed for blowing. Very fast and clean installation.